Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, it's that time of the day. We're gonna be trading CPI. I know you're looking at this chart, you say, this thing is untidy, it's unclean at the moment. I'm going to take out everything and start analyzing this chart from scratch again, and then show you why I got to this level, why I'm gonna be taking this kind of direction. We're gonna be taking it step by step. You know how I analyze, you know how the steps I follow when I analyze the market, guys. I always open the chart on a weekly time frame, go down with it, specify the zones, and then go to D1 and make sure that I specify the trend of the market. Once I specify the trend of the market, I repeat the same concept up until I catch the entries that I need, guys. So what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to remove all the drawings here on USD/JPY. After USD/JPY, guys, we're going to be jumping over to US30 as well, because I already analyzed USD30 as well, guys, and I'm already in one position here at the moment on USD30, which is a selling position. I call a sell here, but yeah, nonetheless, let's wait and go to USD/JPY and start analyzing this thing from scratch. Step by step, guys, we always go to our weekly time frame, which is our highest time frame. So on our weekly time frame, what we are going to do, we're going to be specifying the zones and the levels, basically. So the zones and the levels are the places whereby the market touches, the market reverses, or the market give us a big movement. So those are the zones, guys. So this is going to be my highest point and the lowest point. So I'm going to start the zones with the highest point and the lowest point. So this will be my highest point, and then this will be my lowest point. So as we still have some time, so I'm going to analyze this thing much quicker. You know how this thing goes. So I'm going to analyze this thing, specify this zone much quicker. So we have this thing here where the market is basically playing right now, which is this zone. So this is basically what I can see here at the moment. So I don't want to put a lot of zones, guys, at the moment, because we just want to specify the ones that we're going to be using. So at the moment, this is the zones that we specified. I'm going to move over to D1 time frame, which is our daily time frame. On the D1 time frame, I need to specify the trend of the market, guys. So what is the market telling us? Are we catching the trend, the momentum of the market? So the trend, I can see the market has been creating a trend for us. We saw them touching it from there. So they touch it from here, touch it, touch it. So they've been touching it multiple times. They might be coming to this level. So if I can connect it to the higher on this uh, above here, we can see we can connect it like this. This is basically on a higher time frame, guys. So we can see the trend has been an upward trend. So we saw the market basically turning on top of those levels that we just specified on our bigger time frame. So after specifying our level, guys, we need to go to our H4 time frame and see basically what we can see and what we can do when we're looking at this chart, guys. So I can see, guys, we have some sort of support that is going to be playing around this level. So this is a very, very important level that we need to look at, guys. So even if we get a spike when it comes to CPI, I think it will spike us up until this supporting level here, because right now it's sitting here on top of the zone that we drew. So we can see this zone is coming back from, if I go to daily time frame, we can see this zone is coming exactly from this level, guys. So sorry, let me just do this. We can see this zone is coming exactly from this point, which is it was a resistance from some point, turned into a support here. We can see it turned to a support here. Right now is being supported here. So if it get broken, we can specify it as a resistance. But right now we don't see any sort of broken off structure here at the moment. So we can still specify it as a support. So that's basically what I'm seeing. This is very, very important level where we are at the moment, where the market is basically playing right now with USD/JPY is an important level, guys. So I'm going to just shadow it right now just to say, guys, we are on an important support level here. We got a rejection here. The market has been moving down, and don't mind you, we're still on a daily time frame. So basically what I'm getting right now, I'm getting like buying zones, we get basically. So I'm getting like this market has to come and reverse up until this point, and then they can still continue to go to the downside and try to meet the yellow trend line that we drew when we started. So basically, I think they need to create a head and shoulder kind of a pattern before, because they've been going down for a while right now. So that's basically what I'm seeing here when it comes to USD JPY. But we are still on a bigger time frame. We need to go to the lower time frame and see basically what we can pick up when it comes to there. So we know that the trend is telling us that the market needs to shoot to the upside, but we can see there's something that is happening right now here at the market. So I'm going to just specify this thing here as a trend as well. So this will be the trend inside a trend. So we can see we have some sort of it's too small. I can take it to a lower time frame just to make sure that it looks good. So I'm just going to connect it here. So we can see, guys, this thing just came in here. So this thing just came in here, touched it for the third time here, multiple times. So right now we can expect the market to just come straight and hit this level up until this zone. So this is where we're going to start buying our CPI trade. So I think my buying position will start from here when it comes to CPI, guys. So I'll start buying from here. Is if we can look at it right now nicely. I'll wait for the market to just come and touch here or touch. As long as we are playing above the line, I'm buying. So that's basically what I'm seeing when it comes to USD JPY. I don't think I need to go even further down, guys. So because we don't want to waste any more time, let me jump over to US30, because US30 I'm already in one position, guys. I think two position when it comes to US30 selling position. So I think I'll be selling US30. As you can see, as if I can unzoom it, I'll just explain it because I analyzed this thing before, guys. So basically on my previous video, I analyzed this thing with you guys and said we were on top of this resistance. If I go to 30 minutes chart and go back to that analysis that I made, so what I was saying here is that we were under resistance. So the resistance that was created by a gap, guys. So you see how important that resistance played out. So the gap that was open here created a resistance. I said, if we come and break that gap, we need to retest it and come, we will start our selling positions here. So, but yeah, it didn't break that gap. We saw they closed those bars with selling positions, and then they came back and tried to break it down. So they've been moving down quite a while. From there, I was expecting buying positions from here. The market just came in here, they took me out multiple times, and then I left it to move because I didn't enter this position here to move down with it basically. So but yeah, if you can check those analyses, you'll remember me saying the market will come up until here, they'll come and take out here. Look what they did, they came back and gave us a third touch, still go down with it up until that level. So we've been going down, specified this level here, came back. I've been eating with it. It's just that I don't get enough time to record the videos, guys. So yeah, so right now we saw the market bouncing. So right now they are busy on that specific resistance. So this resistance is basically very strong. That's why I said I'm going to be taking my selling positions on that resistance. Remember, we sell on a resistance and buy on the support. So that's basically what we're going to be doing, guys. So that's US30 I'm expecting selling positions. USD JPY I'm expecting buying position. With Nasdaq, guys, I'm getting some sort of a buying positions when it comes to Nasdaq, but I didn't analyze it. I was just looking at the chart, so I don't want to entertain it because the market for Nasdaq needs to come and reach this point. Okay, you see right now. So let's not entertain Nasdaq right now. Let me see if I've analyzed gold. Okay, I didn't analyze gold as well. Okay, this was the old analysis that I did. Waited for it to break out from here. So but that's basically what I see, guys. So we'll be trading USD JPY right now, and we'll be trading US30. Let me stop this video right now so that I can post it so you can see the analysis that I made on USD JPY. and also the ones that I did on US30, guys. So we'll be buying USD JPY and selling US30, guys. That's it for me. I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.